Hey everybody, so today we got the wall up for the rear deck extension on Chitty Bang. Let me show you what we did. So we just riveted it up. We used a chalk line to try to get it as straight as we can. We're going to mount the winch control right up at the top. It looks good. I'm impressed. And let me show you on the inside. Okay, so here's the back side. And you can see where we bolted here. And then we just riveted. We did a few on the bottom. And then we just have to get this cleaned up. And then this is the backup camera wiring. So we'll have to mount this to the rail up here. And then this is going to be where we did the extension to make this come out wider. And so I'm gonna grind all the metal down and make it kind of look nice. We'll degrease it and then, you know, slap some paint on here. Get this all cleaned up. Almost done.